Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSCK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video I'll be analyzing Asian Paints. Well, Asian Paints looks a little bullish for me now. I'll explain you why. This is weekly chart Asian Paints. The first thing what I'm going to do is let me draw a trend line here. Okay, let me zoom this chart. This is a weekly chart and I have drawn a trend line, and guys, you can see here this particular this week it has touched almost this trend line and reversed, right? So we have seen some good bullish candle coming in for last 2 days. Let me turn it to daily chart, you'll have an idea. You can see this last 2 days we have seen some bulls coming here. Bulls have become active and it has been holding this trend line. That is most important thing here in Asian Paints. So this trend line will be a deciding point for the buyers, or you can call it as for bulls as well as the bears. This trend line is very important point. Okay, now let me explain you what I see here. Now other important thing what I'm seeing here is this had formed a convergence. You can see a price had formed lower low, whereas RSI had started forming higher highs. We can see here this RSI, you can see the RSI value here as well. This RSI here was 33.48, it was the low, and now it is 33.67. So RSI has started forming a higher high, whereas price was forming lower low. So in this case, this convergence can become active here and it can be a strong reversal point as well. So this is one advantage what we are seeing. The second thing, the first thing was it is holding the trend line. The second thing, it has formed convergence. The third thing, it has started forming a double bottom. So this has formed something like a double bottom. Let me zoom the chart. In case you have any confusion watching the bottoms or tops on the candlesticks, then just go to line chart. You can see double bottom very clearly. You can see this double bottom in a W format. Right now, for tomorrow, this high will be a key level. First, let me mark two highs here and let me explain you why I'm marking that. This was a double bottom high, resistance, right? I had drawn a W here. Let me draw that again. Now this is the double bottom what I'm talking about, guys. Now this was a resistance and today it has failed to close above this. So what next? So tomorrow, in case price starts trading or price sustains above today's high, then there are good chances prices will head towards this 50 moving average. This 50 moving average will be the first point of contact. You can call it as a resistance as well. Now let me draw one more horizontal line here. This level, I just want to see what is the reason it has moved up till this level and then come down. Was there any previous support or resistance at this level? Yes, you can see here previously at this level price is sustained, right? After breaking this level, you can see here, then it has moved up. Let's go a little more back and see. Okay, there's no data for this. Now for tomorrow, guys, this point will be very important. Let me draw it in a different color. I'll create a zone here. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Now let me draw a zone. Okay, let's go. Yes, this zone will be a key level for tomorrow. That is between 2520 and 2532. If price sustains above this, right, then we can see a quick move towards 50 moving average. Then probably price can retest this level, and then slowly once it closes above 50 moving average, then we can expect prices to move up, right? Now it won't be moving so easily to 2800. In case that moves, that's well and good, but remember there are some support and resistance at this level as well, which you'll have to check it out. The first immediate resistance will have somewhere around 2555, right? This zone it will be very important. Now after that we have a resistance somewhere around 2636, and then somewhere around 2732 and 2816. Right guys, hope you have understood this, how Asian Paint looks bullish for me and what are the different criterias what I've seen. Alright guys, thanks for watching this. You can check out other videos also. I have analyzed Tata Power and Bajaj Finance. You can just go to my channel and you can check it out. And very soon I'll share my Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis also for tomorrow's trades. And also you can find the trading plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. And if you are enjoying watching my videos, give a like. Any doubts you have, drop a comment. I'll see you in the next video guys. Take care. Bye bye.